hope you all are keeping fine. So today let's study chapter 13 from your English language book. The lesson name is a and the. That means articles. There are 3 articles in English: a, and the. They are used before nouns. So let's study these articles in a detailed way. So dear students, first of all, let's see the definition of articles. Okay, articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. Okay, a, and the are called articles. I repeat, articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. A and the are called articles. There are 2 types of articles. First one, definite articles and indefinite articles. Now let's see what are indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. Remember, because they do not refer to any particular or definite person, place or thing. As example is given here: an umbrella, a boy, a book. Now let's see what are definite articles. Okay, the is called the definite article. Why so? Because it always points out some particular object. Okay, so now look at these examples. This is the boy who had stolen my purse. Now, so you are pointing out at the boy. So you have used the boy. Now, let us see the example. This is a flower. Okay. Second, the flower is red. This is an orange. So, this is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Now, remember, when a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Okay, and these are the consonant words. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's see the example. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Now, an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Remember, an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. First, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Let's see the example. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Now children, always remember, articles a and an used to introduce a singular noun. Articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. Okay. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. For example, that is a store. There is an umbrella on the store. Now let's see the rules for using a. Okay, a is used when before a consonant, example a tiger. Also, before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. A 1 rupee coin, a European, a utensil. So you can see the examples, a tiger. Okay. Now the second rule is a is also used before a word beginning with a vowels but sounding like a consonant. Now this is very important. Concentrate on this. A 1 rupee coin. Okay. Look here children. 1 is starting with O. Okay. But we have not put an before it. Why? Because the sound O is 1. So 1 rupee coin. Now look at the second example. A European. Okay. It is starting with E. Okay. But the sound is A. So therefore we are using a European. Next word is utensil. Again the sound A but the word is U. Okay. So here you have to conclude that we are not going to see the alphabet but we are going to see sound of the alphabet. Now look at the next sentence. If sentence is spoken empathetically, Rome was not built in a day. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see where do we use an. Okay. Before a word beginning with a vowel, example an apple. Okay. We use an before a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. So here is an example. You can see an apple. An. Before a word beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound. Example an MBA, an R, an honest man. Now you see an MBA. Okay. It is beginning with M. Okay. But the sound is E. MBA. An R. Sound is R. And then an honest man. Again H is silent. O is the sound. So we are not going. We are not again looking at the word. Remember, we are not looking at the word which is starting but the sound which it is making. Okay. Now let's see where do we use the. The is used before a word denoting a particular person or thing. Example, let's go to the cinema. Okay. Second example, before the names of following: seas, rivers, gulfs, canals, desert, the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf. Next one, before titles: the great. Last one, before the words denoting numbers, weight, cloth is sold by the meter. Now let's practice. Let's look at these examples. An umbrella, the Ganges, a boy, an honest person, a 1 rupee coin. Now students, I am giving you some homework. I request all of you to read the chapter again, chapter 12 and chapter 13. Okay, so that you may understand better. I also request you to write the definition of articles and the types of articles. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.